Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So let's pick, for example, maybe Greek language, as usual, of course, but I can't find it for some reason. Maybe there's no Greek language on this device. Okay, here it is. And now, for example, let's write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.